alaikum. My name is Mohaimen and I'm going to be presenting the circuit and explaining each component and the workings of the circuit. First of all, we are using an Arduino Uno which has multiple outputs which we are used to supply power to each LED. First, when you plug in the USB cable, power goes in through the circuit, and according to need, it goes through each pins and goes through each 1 kilo ohm resistor, as you can see here, and it goes through the LED, which is the other leg is connected to the negative terminal, which goes from the negative terminal to the ground of the breadboard. So it's like a series circuit. For example, if you look at the orange LED here, it goes from pin 2 to the same column on the breadboard, meaning this column is all connected to the other one through the resistor, and it goes through, since this column is all connected, it goes through the anode of the LED, and then the cathode of the LED is connected with the wire to the negative, and this is how the circuit is completed for each respective LED. Furthermore, we have a potentiometer where it's connected to the ground and the positive terminal, and the middle terminal goes through the it goes to a analog input A5. From here, when we change the resistance of the potentiometer, the Arduino board can detect the change in resistance, and hence it can either increase the brightness or decrease the brightness of each respective LED. You can change the resistance by just changing this dial here. So I'm going to demonstrate that in a little bit. So this is the overall workings of the Arduino board. Now if you press start simulation, you can see the USB plugs in, it's on, and each respective LED is blinking in series. From here you can change the resistance. So as you can see, it makes it dimmer till it stops when you go to 0. See, since the resistance is maximum, hence it is an open circuit, so it doesn't detect the output anymore, so the LEDs die down. So if you increase it back up, it returns to full brightness, and this is how this circuit works. Now let me just explain the basic coding of the Arduino board. In the Arduino board, you have to assign pins to each output. So the Arduino board knows where to give the output, and hence the output is connected to each LED respectively. From here, you made a void loop function where basically it detects the analog read from the input, which is A5, and it sets brightness according to that. From here, each output is given the output according to the brightness level, which is set by the potentiometer, and then it dies down by this function low, and it repeats for every LED. I hope you understand the presentation, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.